Communication process, principles and ethics.
Good day, everyone. So, for today's discussion, we are going to present to you our chosen topic in communication, process, principles, and ethics. So, in this category, we choose communication process. So, when we say communication process, it is made up of four components. Those are encoding, medium of transmission, decoding, and feedback. So, in communication process, there are three types of communication: the transmission model, interaction model, and the transaction model. So, from these three, we choose the basic principle, which is the transmission model. Transmission model. Transmission model of communication describes communication as one-way linear process in which a sender encodes a message and transmits it through a channel to a receiver who decodes it. So in our vlog making, our group is called the sender. So we will encode or turn our thoughts into communication. For example is, we will discuss what is ASF, what are the effects of ASF, and what are the things we or they can do to prevent ASF. We will arrange or organize these ideas and send it through a communication channel. A communication channel is the medium, mean, manner, or the method in which the message is being sent to our intended receiver. So, the sender will send the message through a communication channel and the receiver will receive the message. So, the receiver will decode or interpret the ideas we want to convey to them. So, the communication channel that we are going to use is the YouTube. So, wherein we will upload every videos that we are going to make. And then, the receiver will watch the videos. They will decode what we want to convey in the videos. And in the communication process, there is what we call communication noise. So these are the noise that influences the interpretation of the message. So it is the reason why some receiver cannot properly interpret the message that the sender wants to convey to them. So while the receiver is decoding the message, they can send their response, and their response is what we call the feedback. So, transmission model is called one-way or linear process because it starts with a sender. The sender will encode the message and send it through a communication channel, and then the receiver will receive the message and then they will decode it. They will decode the message that the sender wants to convey to them for them to understand what is the message. What particular function of communication is applied in your vlog? So the functions of communication that is applied in our vlog is the social-cultural tradition. It is the communication as the creation and enhancement of the social reality, wherein we must consider the different cultures and tradition of our viewers or our audiences, so that we will be able to know what are the informations that we are going to share to them, or how can we share these informations to our audiences. And also, we must consider the language that is suitable to use in our vlog so that we can avoid the violation to the rules and norms of our society. So by considering these things, we can communicate properly to our audience or our viewers of what is ASF, what are the things they can do to avoid this, and what are the alternatives that they can do to avoid them from buying pork meats. What ethical considerations of communication that must be applied in your vlog making? So, the ethical consideration of communication that we must apply in our vlog making is the responsible thinking, so that we are able to share appropriate and reliable information or knowledge to our audience of what is ASF, what are the things that we can do or they can do to avoid this, and also we must think carefully of every steps that we are going to follow in the vlog that we are going to do. Also, we must give our audience concrete ideas. For example is, instead of buying pork meats, we can use some alternative foods like tokwa in our dishes. And also, we can also buy some different variety of vegetable that is available in the market that is healthy and budget friendly.
That's all, thank you.